Hello everyone, I'm Sienna. In this video, we'll be learning how to say I don't understand in Korean. There will be many times when you can't understand what someone is saying in Korean. This situation is natural as you're still learning the language. When you don't understand something, that is a great opportunity to ask for clarification so you can have fun and interesting conversations. There are quite a few ways to say you don't understand. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on one of the most common ways to say it. The Korean verb that will be used is 이해가 되다. It means to understand. To create the opposite, you would add the word 안. That will give you 이해가 안 되다, which means I don't understand. That is the base form of the expression. In a bit, I'll show you how to change the base form into a conversational form. Let's see how you would use this in a standard polite setting. You might say this when listening to a story from your colleague at work. For example, you might say 죄송하지만 이해가 안 돼요. This means I'm sorry, but I don't understand. Before we move on to the next versions of the phrase, I wanted to let you know that you can get a downloadable PDF version of this lesson. It has examples to help you practice. I'll put a link to that resource in the description. And please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this lesson. It helps us know which videos you found most useful so we can make more of them. Let's continue. I'll explain what to say in a more formal setting. For example, you might be listening to your professor during a lecture. In this situation, you could say 이해가 안 됐습니다. This is the formal way of saying I didn't understand. Next, let's talk about what to say with your close friends. Imagine that one of them is talking to you on the phone and the signal begins to break up. In that case, you could say 이해가 안 됐어. 한 번 더 얘기해. This means, oh, I didn't understand. Say it one more time. There you have it. You can now tell people that you don't understand so you will communicate more easily. Eventually, if you study hard, you'll understand pretty much everything. 이해가 됐어요? 안녕!